Alright, let's see. Nobody there all day, and somebody just showed up. And if you see like their sound, see how they work to irritate people. You see that? Look at their sound. They stop and they go. You see that? Yeah, let's get their license plate. He doesn't have one in front. You see how they go? Just to irritate people. That's their job. See, he's going slow now. See that? He's going pretty slow right now. Because I've been calling them Walmart car all day, so they start sending people to irritate to irritate me. See what? See that? What I say is how they start. You see? You see? Look. They only work around us like this. They pretend they're doing something, but usually they're doing anything to do noise to irritate you. That's their job. Always people here. Look, always their cars. They park them on around us. Always look, all these cars on the streets. All of them. Look at all these cars on the streets. On this side, so many of them, and then all the way at the end, right after the stop sign, that house over there, you can see barely right now cars is passing by. They're always both sides. I'm not sure behind, in front of us, behind these homes, and then behind us. But when I drive on that side, there's cars too on the streets, always waiting. Look, red car passing by over there. Yeah, he stopped right now. As I go inside, he start his annoying blowing. That's their job. That's what they do. They get $50 gift card for that. See you next time.